So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI GO99 IG on Glow. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And considering mo to keep on watching, and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, ida-dial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And ayan guys, after nyan dito, piliin lang natin yung number 4, which is yung UNLI. So type natin yung number 4, and then send. And ayan guys, dito, piliin na natin yung UNLI GO99 IG. So nasa number 5 siya. So type number 5, and then send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng UNLI GO99 IG, makakakuha tayo ng unlimited Instagram uses plus 8GB na data para sa lahat ng sites. Plus, bukod pa dun guys, meron siyang UNLI AllNet Text, valid siya for 7 days. So, napakasulit lang nito guys kasi 99 pesos, meron na kayong 7 days na unlimited Instagram and meron pa siyang 8GB na data and UNLI AllNet Text. So, para ma-register or ma-subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI GO99 for IG on Glow. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.